a very special day and in COVID times बहुत सारी planning उसमें जाती है, बहुत सारी planning करनी पड़ी हमें. सबसे पहले तो we were not sure whether we should do it and whether we should call like even a few friends and family home या फिर Zoom पे करना चाहिए. वो सब हमें पता नहीं था, समझ नहीं आ रहा था. काफ़ी बार ये तो बड़ा स्ट्रिक्ट हो रहा था सही कि नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, Zoom पे करेंगे, Zoom करेंगे. वहाँ से मेरे फ्रेंड्स कॉल कर रहे हैं कि what's happening and you guys don't know, do the baby shower and we want to be there and we want to be a part of it, we want to even feel the baby kick now and हमने ये सब कभी देखा नहीं है, and we were so excited, but what is this, you're not meeting us. ये सब बहुत हो रहा था.
ये सब basically मैंने सब बहुत सुन लिया था and she had not seen her friends for a very 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 long time and मुझे वो भी देखना था. But I was very 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 nervous. I was not sure कि मुझे करना है नहीं करना है. But then finally eventually वही हुआ जो इसको चाहिए था.
So finally, it was 12 when the family started walking in. So I basically had my maasis who were coming over, and of course Shruti was here with family. His parents were not here; they couldn't make it from Chandigarh because obviously we didn't want to risk them traveling. But they were with us on Zoom. His cousin was there, his mommy was there, and it was like वो लोग वहाँ पर है और यहाँ पर function.
It was a very very different
experience.
I mean, we done Zoom calls and video calls all this while, but like literally doing a ceremony like a function.
And पूरा setup किया TV पे.
Exactly.
We could see them and they could see us.
Mom, dad also. Mom, the same morning she went to one of the neighbors, got her laptop fixed, and उन्होंने actually proper TV के सामने place करके मम्मा proper.
And so sweetly they were ready.
Proper तैयार होके सब करके बैठे थे. It was very very cute, but we definitely miss them. Too much.
I can't have it.
क्या बोलना? हाँ
कान है
टेक हो दिया, टेक ब्लेसिंग बहुत
टेक्निकल यार। Good, I like it. Perfect.
May you get a lot of sleepless nights.
Cheers to a lot of sleepless nights.
Already डर लग रहा है सुको. अभी से आदत डाल लो, आधी रात उठ के बैठा करो. अच्छा चाकू में जाना है. बहुत अच्छा है. हाँ तो बताना है. बहुत अच्छा है.
Then there was a surprise which Shruti and auntie uncle had planned, and obviously Tehseen and Krish had planned कि वो पूरा एक लंबा सा हैम्पर आया था हमारे लिए, you know.
Shruti got it made especially because
Yeah, so she told me कि I don't want to give you badam pista and all because तुम तो नहीं खाओगी इतना, so I'll give you stuff that you like you know kurkure and Copico and you know.
She calls like whatever that she like apart from उसने मुझे एक लिस्ट दी तो इसमें मैंने और चीजें ऐड की and then she made sure उसको properly पैक करके वो ट्रेन का हैम्पर बना के she got it. I think that was very very cute.
Yeah.
For me it was like the one of the highlights of the whole thing because जब मैं मुझे उसने बोला तो जब रेडी हो जाएगी मैं बुलाऊंगी बाहर. So when I went outside the door and I saw कि actually वो पूरी train with a very cute teddy in front वो आगे ready थी and I think we got now like a lot of teddies.
हाँ वो चला भी नहीं पा रहे थे and Suyyash was literally pushing him back.
So हमने कृष्ण के लिए बहुत क्यूट सा हैम्पर बनवाया है. ये छुप छुप गाड़ी उसके दादी और दादू की तरफ से आने वाले बेबी के. तो अभी हम उसको अंदर लेके जा रहे हैं. बहुत ही क्यूट है.
This is so cute. And also दो चीजें होने वाली थी, Godh Bharai B and baby shower also.
I think that's how we planned it. That's how we planned it.
So that's how we planned it कि you know दोपहर में with the family Godh Bharai होगी and उसके बाद
Later in the evening
get into the baby shower. So we obviously I wanted to wear like you know 2 outfits and
So basically ये दो रीजन थे दो फंक्शंस का. ये दो आउटफिट्स आ गए थे. अब एक ही दिन में हम 3 घंटे फिर कैसे मैं चेंज करूँगा इसलिए एक फंक्शन के लिए अलग और दूसरे के लिए अलग.
एक सेकंड लेकिन उससे पहले काफी सारी तैयारियां हमने की. Okay, from making the invites to having a haircut to you know getting a blow dry and
अब क्योंकि obviously मैडम इतने टाइम से घर में लॉकडाउन में हम सब बंद थे तो obviously you know
my hair was a mess.
So इसको obviously पार्लर जाना था, obviously हेयर कट चाहिए था, फिर you know all that. So I think we managed that also. हमने
Yeah, he called his friend and
Tushar, I called him Tushar and you know he very very sweetly उसने बोला कि सर आप एक टाइम बता दो जिस टाइम आप मैम को लेके आओगे, उस टाइम मैं किसी को नहीं बुलाऊंगा। एंड आई थिंक ही डिड दैट वेरी वेल।
Salon was
एम्प्टी, उसने 2 से 4 हमारे लिए खाली रखा होता है। वी रीच देयर बाय 2 o'clock एंड 2 घंटे आराम से बैठ के इसका ब्लो ड्राई, हेयर कट, एवरीथिंग, यू नो। मैंने भी बाल कटवाए, छोटे।
And yeah, the mehndi also was like
I think it was
an
very very
experience.
cute hike से experience because करवा चौथ और बाकी टाइम पे definitely मेहंदी लगवाई है, but this was like a special baby shower, you know, mehndi.
Yeah, so there is this Bhavna and Pinky mehndi artists, you know, who do specialized mehndi for baby showers and for weddings. So they also do portraits, guys. If you guys are interested, they also do portraits. Like हम दोनों का photograph also they could have like you know made. But मैंने बोला नहीं यार बहुत ज़्यादा time लगना पड़ेगा तो ये सब तो नहीं. But yeah, so I selected like very cute. You know things जैसे मैं बैठी हुई हूँ and I'm thinking about food and bubbles तो वैसे and एक में he's you know like decorating for the baby shower and I'm just standing and kind of watching हाँ सब ठीक से हो रहा है so all of that and mom to be and coming soon so I had like I wanted something very
इसमें 4 अलग-अलग डिजाइन आ गए थे। जो भी देखना आपको देख सकते हैं।
Yeah,
like a चलती फिरती manual for them.
Yeah, because I didn't want regular mehndi. Yeah, I wanted something different, and I think it turned out to be quite cute because everybody loved it. So yeah, fair enough. I mean, 3:30 तक मैं वापस अंदर गई to get ready. You know, for a quick change, and yeah, I was ready in my most princessy outfit.
Moment. That was a princess
totally
moment.
princess moment. started doing, but obviously for the first 1 hour, so everybody was just meeting everybody. I kept sitting in that one corner decor के सामने, वो chair लगा के, and you know just saying hi, oh my god, like that, you know, दूर से सबको and everything, and meeting everybody from far. And then we said कि चलो now it's 5:30, let's have playing games. So we had organized some games, okay, like so me, Minna and my mom, we had sat 1-2 रात पहले, and we were deciding on कि क्या games होती है. Then games का हमने सोचा कि okay we play one game जिसमें we'll ask questions के बच्चा मम्मी पहले बोलेगा या पापा पहले बोलेगा, you know all those kind of questions कि मेरे measurements अभी क्या हैं, and you know like stuff like that, like funny stuff. So they made like everything like proper paper पे बना के questionnaire ये वो सब लेकर आए थे. So binni didi kind of helped us a lot, who's Minna's sister. She helped with that. So everything was completely sorted. So we started playing those games and it was hilarious because मुझे ऐसा लगता था my friends really know me a lot. A lot of them had no idea कि क्या. I don't blame them because obviously COVID में they not met me. So they didn't know ना मतलब इतना कि मेरी cravings क्या हो रही है. You know मुझे मेरे measurements क्या है. Yeah, but they kind of managed and it was fun. So yeah, so we had these games and it was too much fun यार.
तो मैं explain कर रही हूँ ना. तो बेसिकली आप लोगों को गैस करना है कि ये जो क्वेश्चन लिखा हुआ है ये पहले सू करेगा या मम्मा करेगा. ठीक है. और दोनों के नाम लिखे हुए हैं, आप टिक कर सकते हैं बारी बारी करके. ऐसा करना है जैसे भी. ठीक है. और ये वाले क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे लिखे हुए हैं जिसका आपको जवाब देना है. इसके बाद आपको 10 क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे जो सिर्फ मम्मा से रिलेटेड है. ठीक है. और जो ज्यादा पापा से रिलेटेड नहीं, तो उसका विशाल इज ऑल अबाउट द मदर. टॉकिंग हिंदी. ना मैं
ये वाला सबको दो.
अगर who will resemble the baby more में किसी ने भी यहाँ पे सू लिखा तो मैं उसको मार मारूंगी.
Okay, what will the baby say first? डॉक्टर को सबसे ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस कौन पूछे? Will baby be a singer or a painter?
यार ये फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स होना चाहिए. ये ऑप्शन भी देना चाहिए. किसने क्वेश्चन क्लियर किया?
Who will ask for a second child?
किशोर.
मिन्ना.
The child.
बटू.
Who will be the fun parent?
किशोर.
It's very debatable.
Becoming a dadi and having a grandchild to love and cherish is a true blessing. I promise to take care of you two at every step of life. Dad to be. Oh, this is from you to me. Get ready to have sleepless nights and diaper changing sessions. I'm going to spoil the child telling you in advance. This is
Shruti, that was the scene.
Okay, let's read this one. Stop consuming junk food. It gets gross in there. Trust me. You know who. I told you this is Krish.
I think like we always said, जो आने वाला है आने वाली है जो भी होगा वो बहुत ज़्यादा blessed होने वाला है. Because generally हमारे अलावा उसके आसपास इतने सारे उसके वेल विशर्स उसका ख्याल रखने वाले होने वाले हैं. That it's gonna be crazy. So whenever you come out, when you watch this,
Be ready.
You watch this, you
For
know,
some very crazy people.
you know that whom are we actually surrounded with and what kind of the people we have around. And it's not us who are जो इतने पागल हैं. हमारे पागल होने का कारण वो लोग हैं जिनसे हम घिरे हुए हैं. So but thank you once again all our friends, all our loved ones.
And lastly, let me tell you, we did a vote for baby boy or baby girl, and baby boy completely won the thing. So
लड़की का था
नहीं. So let's see.
मेरा मूड चेंज होता है.
कि क्या होता है?
दूसरे दिन मेरा मूड बदल जाता है. किसी दिन से कुछ पिंक बना तो लड़की हो जाएगी.
Yeah, so guys, this was it for the Godh Bharai and the baby shower, and I really hope you like the episode. You know what you have to do: subscribe, and like, and comment, and share, and yeah, get ready for another super duper exciting episode which will be coming very very soon.